Hello! Welcome to Booked Up English, where we can learn English together. My name is Susan. What's your name? Say hello in the comments. Today, we will listen to a story about the weather. Let's go. Pup, Panda, and Friends. What's the weather? Written and illustrated by Susan Grützmacher. Hi, Goat. How are you? Hi, Panda. I'm happy. Hey, Goat. What's the weather? Oh, Panda. It's sunny. Hi, Pup. What is today? Hi, Goat. Today is Thursday. Hey, Pup. What's the weather? Oh, Goat. It's cloudy. Hi, Hippo. How old are you? Hi, Pup. I'm 7 years old. Hey, Hippo. What's the weather? Oh, Pup. It's rainy. Hi, Fish. How are you? Hi, Hippo. I'm tired. Hey, Fish. What's the weather? Oh, Hippo. It's hot. Hi, Bat. Where do you live? Hi, Fish. I live in Serbia. Hey, Bat. What's the weather? Oh, Fish. It's cold. Brr. Hi, Cat. Where do you live? Hi, Bat. I live in Montenegro. Hey, Cat. What's the weather? Oh, Bat. It's sunny. What's the weather? It's Thanks for listening to the story. What's the weather? Go live or send an audio or video PM. I'd love to hear your English and help you. See you tomorrow.